This is a series where I try to hit Radiant and cut to be ripped and awesome in Valorant. What determines my calorie intake, however, is my KD. My kills and deaths will be concatenated in order to determine my calorie intake for the day. This is my current physique. The reason why this will work is because I'm just an ordinary Joe Schmo. I'm no 10s, Demon 1, or Aspas, so I really have to pull my own weight if I want to eat more in these Radiant lobbies.
It is day 6 of the challenge, so I have 14 days until the act ends.
This mini-series is meant to prepare myself for the next episode where I'll attempt to keep this up for the entire next Valorant episode. Let's see if I can get another one.
No peeking.
Go ahead.
One more.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Oh fuck? It's eco, bro.
Damn, all of them? Okay, mid.
Saw me rotating back. No, Limby.
On B. Cypher.
Dogging to
Dogging
market.
to market.
Going market.
Nothing A.
In market.
In market.
Cross.
On side map. Kids about to drop.
Spike
Kids about to drop.
planted. Not ready yet. One enemy remaining.
He's dog market, probably market.
Market, I know.
Market.
He's dead. Yes, good job.
This
Dude, I should have killed him. It's fucked.
One enemy remaining.
Just gonna come.
Spike down
he's
A.
also there.
Just come with me. Caged. I wanna peek it.
Yeah.
He's main. I saw his gun.
At the bomb.
Nice. He broke door.
Jump in.
One enemy remaining.
Not sorry.
And he has a gun. Going A.
Yeah, he's going there.
One
I'm just gonna run at him. I have a
Spike planted.
Have one of these.
Last player standing.
Back like I never left.
Oh, I'm dead. No!
Sorry, I'm sorry.
No, it's a good trade. It's
Wait.
just-
Never know.
No, he's
Hey.
dead.
I'm dead. Fuck, bro. Just an extra death on my name, bro. For what? Just lowering my stats for what?
One A.
I've
Come
got
here.
your trail.
Like a lot of
Oh, fuck.
E one way.
Nah, 1 second. Yeah,
No
now I can.
peeking.
I won with it.
Already elbow.
Sorry.
Fuck this
Not
cypher,
sorry.
dude.
Rocketing in.
Yeah, we pushed. Nice.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
What the fuck?
Two elbow.
Enemy spotted A. Grenade. Have one of
Spike down A.
Three
One
sworns, you're a
enemy
demon.
remaining.
I'm reloading.
Okay, you get. There's double locked elbow.
Crossed.
Someone is A.
Last player standing.
Oh. I threw. No, I go 7 to 9 at night. Nice, good job. You smoked top mid.
these. No peeking.
Bro, this guy's just putting me the fuck down everywhere.
No peeking.
I'm throwing.
It's only one Cypher. Heavy toes.
Oh, I threw hard. I can't lie.
Thrifty.
Yeah, my bad.
The hunt begins.
Dropping a smoke.
Spike planted.
My ult is refreshing.
Oh, nice shot.
120 and 80.
Yeah, they lined up. One more bullet, kill both.
Yeah. Actually though. Actually, I killed both. What the fuck?
We go.
Dude, I should be able to ult there. I can't lie.
Running me down, one HP. He's gonna respawn.
I've got your trail.
Jump through.
Spike
That's
planted.
you, pal.
I think drain at 90.
Last player standing.
Wow, he spams you. When in doubt, judge it out. Twitch Daniel 411 avoided pie watch. Let's go. At least you're not pie, Daniel. Let's go, dude.
Yeah, right.
I'm sweating.
Bring them down. Dropping smokes.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's just another L, I think. Oh, I'm smoking your time. Sorry.
No peeking.
Oh, damn.
Gun here.
He's low.
I hit him
Last
50.
player standing.
78.
Hey,
Fuck!
Spike planted. Reloading.
Yo!
Enemy spike B.
one
Fuck him up.
enemy remaining.
Find you.
Wait,
Oh,
Physique,
no.
I'm on.
they have time? Oh my god, how did he get there?
0.76, man.
Oh, he definitely had time. Wait, how did he get there?
0.7. We don't have bomb by that.
Got you. Reloading.
Yeah, bomb him.
One enemy remaining.
Dude, I'm getting cooked!
Watch this. Bring them down.
Maybe.
100. Peeking left. Peeking left. Oh, we gotta break that down. One.
One enemy remaining.
Refreshing.
Yo, I go for it, man.
Yes!
See, you're acting.
Nice.
And
Just
now
like
I'm
me,
back,
bro.
and just like that, I'm back. Yo, don't give me the fucking bomb. Let me just
I
fucking
know,
fight.
he's on
I'm
there.
the fucking go.
I'm
gonna pick this.
Camso.
Campsite, let's just go.
Default. One more default.
Refreshing.
It's
Blank,
fucking upper. There's a
blank.
trip, trip.
Default, still not?
Default.
Spike down A. One
Nice.
enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Elbow.
Oh, Abba.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
We won?
We are, guys. Holy fuck.
Oh my god, we won? Fighting mid. Nice, one more. He can't get out. Two more.
Oh, 80.
Just fighting. He's just fucking fighting.
Take first.
Yeah. Let me take first.
No peeking.
Maybe shut up.
Oh.
Like I never left.
He's fighting. He's close. Bro,
Could be fighting up here.
one more.
Last player standing.
My mouse kept on jumping. Just curious.
That could be it.
Trap. He's like,
I'm gonna clear beam here.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Hope he's not being in. Nice. Good round, Cypher. Holy crap, dude.
Like right here, jump sliding. Right. That means someone's up.
Wait.
Spike down. B.
Fuck.
Oh, he's. Oh.
He was inserted the whole time.
Nice.
I'll find you.
It's planned for spawn.
Last player standing.
Damn, he was down mid. How?
trying to be split.
I'm blind as fuck. Yeah, B split. It's fucking your market.
You guys get on with Cypher?
Yeah, one.
Killer top mid.
120 raise. This is so bad. Fuck!
Blocking sight.
Oh, I threw smokes way too early.
Default, default. Spawn right now.
Wait, don't
Just
peek,
one, just
don't
wait,
peek, don't peek,
just one.
wait.
Bomb buddy out.
Over here.
Wait, he swung out.
Smoking spawn.
Drop in a smoke.
It's gonna walk up.
Ouch! Here goes this. My ult's ready.
He needs some
One
dice.
enemy remaining.
Wait for me.
I could've walked up. Tap,
Yeah,
tap,
I'm
tap. Tap and hold, tap and hold.
I'm just funning, Nice. Mid.
No peeking.
I'm leaving you there.
Have one of these.
Mid. Oh fuck. That's weird.
Please smoke me out.
Drop in a smoke.
Mark.
Splitting B.
Spike down B.
Raina's there too. Oh, I'm so dead. Smoke faded, man.
Right here.
They're leaving.
Run. Watch it, watch
I'm
it.
right there.
Coming back to me.
I'm one wing.
Towers.
Yeah, I'm not one wing. Nice.
Spike down A.
Pretty crop.
No peeking.
Towers in main. Chill, guys.
40.
Wait, he's walked under you.
I've
Oh,
got your trail.
dude, I thought you were walked out. My bad.
Low.
Both. Oh my god. I thought he was walked out.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Like, why are we just swinging everything for fun?
Dude, I thought you were walked out. I thought you were
Said
walked out.
chill,
here.
so I chill.
I was trying to get into this elbow position because I thought they wouldn't clear it. Like, but I didn't know he was under you and shit.
It's okay, it's okay.
Right
It's okay.
here. Satchel out. Where are you? Get out of here. Ugh, take
Yes. Going backside.
Trap in front of you.
Blind.
Satchel out.
Wait, swing, fight backside.
140.
Last player standing.
Sorry. Not sorry.
Fuck, bro. Fuck!
Defenders win.
We should have won that. I walked out. Why did I walk out? Dude. I got my food right here. I took a couple bites already because I forgot to put my headphones on, but let's eat it. So the food for today is 8 ounces of ground beef, half cup of egg whites, and a half cup of rice. And I had a chicken tender off camera. Here are the calories for the breakfast. Yeah, let's eat it. Okay, so for lunch I just try to get something healthy in. I didn't get to record it, but I just got a Chipotle bowl. Yeah, and my order was black beans, white rice, fajitas, salsa, corn, sour cream, double chicken, and guac. And that gets me over the 1800 calorie mark. I didn't get to record it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully by the end of the 20 days I'm radiant again or ripped as fuck. Hopefully I can keep this up for the rest of the next episode. See ya.